Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, this video I'll show how to customize your business thumbnail. So now I'm just customize this profile and business idea. So I just change business idea 2014. Okay, this template is deleted and I'm just typing business idea 2024. Okay, just go and business term post pandemic, and this is the icon. I'll just zoom it. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoy this video. So please edit your thumbnail circle. I'm going to remove. So guys, I'm just customize text and business idea 2014, and this is the normal font and picture is here, and I'm just color this change sharps color, and I'm choose red. Okay, now just zoom it. Okay, so guys, now my thumbnail is ready to download. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So subscribe our channel, so please hit the bell button and set all notification. Goodbye, see you next